Hello guys, I'm Gaurav. Today's topic is human digestive system. As we know, digestive system is the most important system of human body. Digestion is started from our mouth. When the food is come in mouth, our teeth chop it and break in small particles of food. Our tongue and teeth are also help to do this. This is a helping organs of digesting system. After this, saliva include in food and moisturizing this and helping create a food bolus. After this process, food enter in stomach through esophagus. As you know, stomach is a mango-like structure called amasya. In Hindi, it's called amasya. It's released digestive juice to digest our food like HCl or etc. Now, food go in small intestine through duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of small intestine, and some digestive juice are released in duodenum like pancreatic juice or gallbladder juice. In simple way, pancreas and gallbladder is mix our bovine digestive juice to digest our food materials. After this, food goes in large intestine through jejunum and ileum. Jejunum and ileum is also part of small intestine. The main work of large intestine is absorb water from our stool. Large intestine have four colon: ascending colon, a transverse colon, a descending colon, and sigmoid colon. After this process, stool is going rectum and drop out from our body through anus. Some important point is here: when food is entered in our mouth called bolus, when it's small intestine, then large intestine called chyme, and when it's in rectum in the form of stool called chyle. Chyle is the waste material of our body. And at last, if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.